Subrata Chakraborty Sipai bala Shong Thai nari Bangladesh habakran haka jing rakhe ya ka jing dap basan posnam jong ka jing yo light load kari Bangladesh kabala pelong mentaka singi hadauki da ki Sipai BSF haka jing don lang ki Sipai ka Bangladesh habakran haka te ka jing lang ban rakhe ya ka te ka jing dap basan posnam jong ka jing light load kari Bangladesh u bolen ula ong ba usngau sarong ban tip ya ka thma ban light load ya ka Bangladesh house nam khat khandai spa nyo puwei haka te ka singi u he Sipai bala Shong Thai ula penpau ya ka jing songu ya ka menteri rangba jong kari India ka Indira Gandhi bam kwai hadwar ublei bat ya ka sarkar India ki Sipai jong kari India ki bla play ya la ka jong ka snam house nam khat khandai spa nyo puwei ka jing songu ka long kerpang ya ka sarkar India ka bla ai ya ka jing kershan ya ka jing yale ya ka thma light lo jong kari Bangladesh ka bakila yo ha ka khandai tarik Oktober khat khandai spa nyo puwei da ka jing yarap kari India kari Bangladesh kala ai burom ya ki riu slur jong kari India ki belaya khon ban pelait lo ya kari Bangladesh na kathma jong usnam khat khandai spa nyo puwei ubala longru kum u commander ha ka selhet sector layathu badaki hajar ngot kila khlat no ha ka jing sha ban ben ha ki Sipai jong ka Pakistan bat kalong ka aka ka ba an amla ban klet ya ka ka ba ka India kala le house nam khat khandai spa nyo puwei ban pelait lo ya ka Bangladesh ha ka ne kasngi la pendan burom ru ya kitu ki Sipai ki belai khon ya ka thma ban pelait lo ya ka Bangladesh house nam khat khandai spa nyo puwei ki badai na kane ka jela Meghalaya bat kita ki long ubolan Chandra Roy u Michael Mutiang bat u Edward K ha ka te ka jingyalang ban pen iyala ki jong ki riti ki dostor ha pedeng kari India bat Bangladesh la pelong hadauki mentaka singi ha ka bala saki ya kane ka singi da ki Sipai bat ki riu pai ba na baro artli kiri ka India bat ka Bangladesh bat na kari India la kranda u DIG Jowai Sandip Rao.
Everybody, Abhinandan of Vijay month of December 2021. I am very much proud that I could join Liberation War in 1971. I firstly admire, appreciate and recollect the activities of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, the Indian government, Indian peoples and Indian soldiers who coalesced their blood in 1971, most probably 4,661 Indian soldiers died in the War of Liberation for the cause of Bangladesh, to liberate Bangladesh, and we formed Mitra Bahini just immediately after proclamation of war between Pakistan and India. We recollect D.P. Dhar. We recollect other peoples of India who supported our exiled government headed by Tajuddin Ahmed, the exactly loyal people, loyal leader to Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who we called the best honored Bengali in Bangladesh, in whose order we, the Bengalis, did Ohingsha Andolan in 1971 from 15 March to 26 March 1971. He said, I can't go to Parliament with the bloodshed of Bengalis from our country. In 7th March 1971, he gave an instant speech of 18 minutes. Every word, it was an unwritten speech, but every word, every sentence was very much valuable, which speech indicated, which speech gave us force to join the War of Liberation of 1971.
Level coordination conference held at Shillong from 27th to 29th November 2021 shows a commitment of both the border guarding forces of the two countries to maintain the sanctity of the border and sort out all border related issues at various levels of border meeting through mutual dialogue. I extend my thanks for the cooperation of Indian High Commission in Bangladesh and BGB in organizing the cultural event and wish this friendship between BSF and BGB will flourish further to new heights. Once again, thanks a lot.